I bought this SKL 1210 belt sander more than 3 years ago. It's been my go-to tool for sanding small areas where a large floor sander couldn't reach, like balconies and tight corners. I also used it for sanding decorative wood pieces and even while building a table. It's a solid and reliable machine, works just like it did on day one. The sanding belt is 76 by 457 millimeters, and the working surface is 76 by 130. The belt speed is 300 meters per minute, which is pretty decent for home projects. You can press the bottom trigger to make it run, and if you push the red button on top while it's running, it will keep going without needing to hold the trigger. The weight is about 3 kilos. Personally, I found it comfortable as long as you're not trying to sand ceilings. One thing to note, after about 30 minutes of continuous use, the rubber on the main roller might start to come off. It's not a huge problem, but putting it back is annoying. I recommend taking short breaks between long sanding sessions. It's a loud machine, not measured officially, but I always wear headphones and listen to music while working. The dust collector doesn't really collect much, just a few tiny particles. So make sure to wear a mask and eye protection when using it indoors. As of 2025, this sander costs around 50 euros. For that price, I'd say it's totally worth it. In this video, I'll show you how to change the sanding belt and give you a few real examples of how I've used it, all under some relaxing background music. Enjoy the video, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.